Happy
Hi
birthday!
guys. By the way, today, June 23rd, is my birthday, so it's good. So it's even more exciting for me to make this video. So today we are doing Pa-272, and at one point it turns into Pa-568. So this video is Pa-272 and Pa-568. So when MD Maryland Route 272 starts us at the state line of Maryland and Pennsylvania, this is our first north Pa-272 side. And we get truck routes to Pa-472, Pa-10, Pa-896, and Pa-41, and to follow north US 1. And this is where we meet with US 1. South US 1 is signed for Rising Sun, and North US 1 is signed for Oxford. I like Oxford. And this is our first of many meetings with US 222. And this is where we split off of US 222. And this is where we meet. We meet with Pa-372. Then we meet with US 222 again, and this time we also meet with Pa-741. This big intersection was in my 222 and 741 video. And north Pa-272 follow north 222. So now we are with US 222. Yeah, again. And in Lancaster, the road is mainly signed for US 222, but it is Pa-272 as well. The road that was just 222, we're turning off of the road that we just used because it turned into Pa-72. This is where we meet with Pa-501. And this is where 222 splits off of us and runs with 30. And this is not the last time we'll meet with 222, but it's the last time we will have a concurrency with it. And probably 5 miles north, we meet with US 222. This is where I meet with Pa-722. 722 was in my Pa-283 videos, because this is the one end of 722 and 283 is the other end. And when we're meeting Pa-772, if you turn one way on Pa-772, it meets with US 222 right away, so that's why that sign is there. And Ephrata, we get like in the middle of the town, we meet like basically a highway exit for US 322. And at this certain place, there is a ramp that we meet that leads to 222 and I-76. And this is what the ramp looks like. And this is where I meet with Pa-897. And this is where I meet with US 222 again, but this is the last intersection on Pa-272. And we meet with US 222 again, but this time one side of the exit is Pa-272 and one side is Pa-568. So now let's do Pa-568. So Pa-568 is a pretty short route. It only meets with probably 3 or 4 routes other than 222 and 272. And yeah, so this is where we meet with Pa-625. And when we're meeting Pa-10, it is signed to Pa-176. And this is where we end at Pa-724.